Imagine this: you have been in an incident, and now the phone rings. It is an insurance adjuster. What exactly are they going to ask you, and how should you respond? Insurance adjusters typically ask a range of questions designed to understand the incident, assess liability, and evaluate the extent of any damages or injuries. They will inquire about the events leading up to the incident, the specific details of what happened, the immediate aftermath, and any physical injuries you may have sustained. Expect questions about your medical history if it is relevant to the claimed injuries, and they will also ask about property damage. The primary reason adjusters ask these detailed questions is to gather information from their perspective to determine what their company might owe. They need to establish the facts, understand the sequence of events, and assess the severity of losses. This process helps them build a case that protects their company's financial interests, which can sometimes mean trying to minimize the payout, so your careful responses are very important. To prepare for these conversations, it is helpful to gather all relevant information beforehand, such as dates, times, locations, and contact details of witnesses. When speaking with an adjuster, always stick to the facts, avoid speculating, and do not admit fault or make definitive statements about your injuries or recovery unless you are certain. It is also wise to refrain from giving a recorded statement until you have had a chance to understand your rights, perhaps by speaking with a qualified attorney. One crucial detail to remember is that an adjuster's initial contact often includes a request for a recorded statement. While you might feel pressured, you are generally not legally obligated to provide a recorded statement immediately. Politely decline until you have reviewed your incident report and, ideally, consulted with someone who can advise you on your specific situation. This gives you time to organize your thoughts and ensure you provide only accurate and necessary information. Understanding the types of questions an insurance adjuster will ask helps you approach the conversation with confidence and clarity. By being prepared, staying factual, and knowing your rights, you can navigate these interactions more effectively, ensuring your account is accurately represented and protecting your best interests throughout the claims process.